Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix this item is currently being modified. So guys, if you are trying to download apps on iPhone, iPad or any iOS devices and you're facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do, you have to just simply close this page. Now after that, open setting and make sure that you are properly connected on internet and there is no connected VPN on your device. Now after that guys, simply tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restriction and make sure that the toggle will be on. Now after that, simply go back and after that tap on general, tap on software update and make sure that you are using updated version of your iPhone. If there have any update, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there, then simply go back, tap on iPhone storage and make sure that there's enough storage on your device. Now after that, simply go back, turn on background app refresh and make sure that the toggle will be turned on. If it is turned off, then turn it on and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working guys, then simply go back, tap on shutdown and restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.